Hi everyone, Jay here from Ex-Military Entrepreneurs, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom banners and custom code to place these banners on your website. Just like you can see, just down the right hand side here, you can see I've got a few banners to Digital Business Lounge and a graphics tool, so you can actually add these banners in here. Now it's not as straightforward as it looks. You do need a little piece of code and you do need the URL for the image to actually tweak the code so that you can display them just like you do here, and you can redirect to the site you want to redirect them to. So if I click on here, it'll redirect to another page where it will try and sell them something or whatever it is you want to do. So that's the whole purpose of a banner, is to get people to a landing page so you can collect leads or you can make them buy something. So for this, what I've done for you, I've actually saved you some time. I've actually got the code here that you need, and all you need to do is customize this. What I'll do is I'll paste this into the YouTube description so you can literally just tweak that with the landing page you want to send them to and the URL for the image which you want to display down the right hand side. So I'll quickly show you a couple of ways to do that. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got a smart media library as part of the Digital Business Lounge we use, and all you do is you upload an image and it will display the image here, and underneath it actually displays a image URL. Now this is the first thing you need. You need to copy that URL by clicking copy, and it'll copy it to your pasteboard. So this is going to be completely different if you're not part of the Digital Business Lounge, but I'll show you that method as well. So all you need to do is, once you've got that URL, go into your little bit of code here. You can see here, this is my existing image with this source address here, the source URL, and you can see it's a JPEG file. All I'm going to do is paste my new image in there, which, because it's the same image, it'll be exactly the same. Actually, I tell you what, I'll take a different one to give you an example. I'll take this one here. Control C that, go into here and just paste that in there. Okay, so that's your image in there. You can see within this code here, it's got href equals, and then in inverted commas we've got the actual SFM web page. So this is where you want them to send them to. So this could be a landing page, another part of your website, a blog article, whatever it might be. But in this bit, this is where you decide where you want to send them to. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to tweak this and send them to our Chris and Jay website. So if I go chrisandjay.com, I think there's a space there. Nope. And then all I'm going to do is, now that your code's complete, you've got all the details, you've swapped out all the bits that you need to, you're going to select all that, Control A, Command C or Control C if you're on Windows, go into your WordPress site, and if you come down here you'll see the Appearance tab. Go into Appearances, then go into Widgets, and it will bring up this page here. Now you can see that I've got a sidebar here, and depending on what theme you've got will depend on what you see here. It might be slightly different. Sometimes you actually need to pull the sidebar from here and drag it into here, and then you need to do what I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm using Optimized Press for my website, which gives you a sidebar here, and all I do is literally just drag that over to the right hand side there. So once you've got your sidebar in place, depending on what theme you've got, of course, you need to scroll down and find a little text widget. Scroll to the top, and you're going to drag and drop your text widget into here. It's going to open this little pop-up box. Now it asks you for a title here. You don't need to provide a title. It will display above the image, and that's the reason that I don't put a title description in there. All I simply do is click in this box here, Command V, and paste my code for my banner into that box. Click Save, and then go over to your website. You can see it's not here at the minute. I'm going to refresh that page. and what you'll now see is my new banner. If I click on that, it will then redirect me to chrisandj.com. Eventually. There you go. Okay, so that's how you create a banner, and that's how you redirect it to another website. One thing I didn't show you, for those who don't have this smart media library, if you find an image on Google, let's just type in six-figure mentors, for instance. And we pull up some images from that. If you click on the image, you can actually right click and you can copy link address. Now what you can do is, once you've copied that link address, you can swap out that same address in this little section here, and you can paste it into there. And what that'll do is it'll then swap it out for that image, so you can actually have an image that's hosted on someone else's website displaying on your site but redirect into another page, if that makes sense. So I'd literally just take that and paste it into the widget section here, just like I have here, and then once you've done that, it'll work in exactly the same way, and it will redirect you to the site of your choice, or the landing page. So that's how you create a custom banner with the code, so it redirects to the landing page or the website of your choice using a WordPress site. It's quite straightforward, but if you do have any questions on this, please post them in the comments box just below, or if you've got any feedback for you, if it's been helpful this video, please comment as well, and any issues, then we'll help you to resolve them as soon as possible. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you for another video. Bye for now.